Claudia's trying to get the cat out of the cage so the bird can go in the cage because it's their night time. Get the stupid cat out. Claudia, don't worry about the bird. Get the cat out.
The bird's the one who's hurting me more.
The bird thinks it's cool because it's not in the cage and the cat doesn't care. They're so naughty, those two. Why doesn't the cat just get out here? Look.
Can you just please get...
Oh, get some food for the cat. The cat will come out this way.
No, it won't. It's not hungry.
Come on. Yeah, buzz, 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 buzz.
Thank you.
Yeah, buzz, 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 buzz. Get the toy. It'll come out. Look.
Wait, no, my bicycle went before I stab you.
Oh, you're going to stab him.
Oh, no.
The cat wants to be a bird and the bird wants to be a bat or a human. Look at the two of them. Bessie's trying to help you.
Oh, biting me.
Yeah, Bessie's trying to help you get the cat out. Look, there he is.
Got it. Now, get off me.
Open it
Get
up.
off it. Get off it. Oh, I have to open the other.
Open it up.
I can't, Mum. I told you.
Come on.
There. Now move.
Ah, we're going to get the cat out so you can go to bed.
It's probably why it's stopping me. It's like, no.
It's trying to get you. They both are.
That's it.
Here she goes. Uh-oh. You're in trouble. Bessie will be back. You watch. Out you hop, you stupid cat. You're not a bird. Thank you, Claudia. Now go catch Bessie so we can put him in the cage for tonight.